What the?
Whatever. Okay, let's go get the butterfly gun. I forgot what it's called. Let's just go get it. Boy, this is some castle. Just too bad it's got all these traps and shit. Don't really need them. Such a beautiful castle. What the fuck? How did he bust down that door with the lock on it? Stay back. Stay back. I'll punish you. I thought I killed that guy right there. Wow, weird. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get this what's name here too. This hourglass, a gold hourglass. Just went WWE on your ass. Just die. Get my sniper rifle out. Got little buggies in the area up ahead. I know where you are, little bug man. I see you. I got you. God dang, man. All this money and shit. Leon should be fucking rich. Ammo. Man, fucking jewels and shit, man. Jesus Christ, this dude be like a millionaire. Yeah, I saw you too, little buggy. Don't think you're smart. Well, he's got a... Nah! Asshole. Go and heal up. More spinel. Wow, I can't believe I missed twice on the fucking lock. That's fucking sad. Hey, I shouldn't even shot it, man. I should just fucking knifed it. I'll take all the goodies in here, thank you. More gold. More herbs to sell. And the butterfly gun. The broken butterfly. That's what it's called. A gun called a broken butterfly. Gotta move that sniper ammo. There we go. Why isn't she following? Man, fuck it. She can stay where she is.
Follow me.
Well, if it was me, man, sure, I'll be there in 3 seconds. Just busting through doors and shit, man. Look, it'll take her time. Only need one more little puzzle piece to the what's the name? I don't even know what the hell it is. Blah, 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 blah. What is it? The goat? I think we got the lion, don't we? And we'll have to see when I get there. Ah, I know this part. Nothing. Velvet blue.
Wait here.
Yeah, she wait here. Could be safe anyway. This is a safe point right there. Save point equals safe area. Definitely gonna need this right here. Yeah, I already know. Go pop. Easy as pie. Or easy as eating it anyway. Making is hard. Well, without instructions, yeah. It's hard to make pie without instructions. Pie. I want some pie. Damn, I ain't got no pie. Got to go out and get some. I got some cake in the fridge. I can eat that. Definitely subtitle. I would like to know what they say. Probably shouldn't have failed Spanish class anyway. Oh shit, came right over here. Too bad I'm not that good of a sharpshooter with the pistol. Spark hit the other two dudes from far away, but nope, not that good. Ah, the lion, okay. So the other one, the first one must have been the horse, the second one the goat, and this one the lion. Stop being stubborn and die. Stubborn, stop being stubborn. Get out of here. Wow, they definitely sound worse than Leon when he dies. Shit, and that's a fucking compliment, right? That's a compliment to Leon right there. Alright, so this is a save point up ahead. I'm getting hungry. Since I talked about the pie, I want some pie. Fuck it, damn, I forgot I ain't got no fucking pie, I gotta go with cake. Cake is good too. So it don't really matter. Go ahead and save and have my cake. I don't know what kind of cake we got though. It better not be fucking coconut. Coconut's nasty.